back to my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal, and today I am going to bully something special. Okay, so right now we are in here, and also make sure to click the subscribe button, and also say something in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so right now guys, we are in the Adopt Me, and I'm trying to doing the cool blue, the cool hats. It's new actually. So right now I wanna doing something pretty cool, is doing like a stair up here. We just walk in house and walk to be here, and down here has our blood, so have to kind of be careful of it. Yeah, it's kind of going to be like a haunted house. That's pretty spooky, right? So let's pull it. Actually I'm not gonna speed pull, but it's kind of take a long time to pull it. Okay, so we have to put all the bricks. We have to kind of buy a lot because we need a lot. I kind of use my money for this, but it's fine. Okay, now it's going to be done soon. And also, this is my ideas that I know it. Yeah, first time I'm kind of waiting and thinking about that. What am I gonna build with the Halloween houses in a gingerbread house? So I think I'm gonna building like this and putting some color up right here. It's still kind of pretty nice too. So it's going to be done. This hack build way is kinda easy for in the PC. It's my computer. Okay, so we're done of this. Take out the bridge out. So we're done of here. Take out this. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, so I put like this. Okay, do it. Okay, so we have to do it again. It's going to be, wait guys. Okay guys, so the next is you guys don't have to have to put the brick again, because I'm already put the barrier down here to look kinda pretty cool when you go walk down, walk up, right? Okay, so this time we have to build the another one. So we need the one more barrier, and also this, so it's kinda spend a lot too. You guys kinda have to have a lot of money to doing this rule. Yeah, because it's kinda hard too. It's not that fast easy. Okay. Okay, right now, take the pumpkin off, put the barrier. We have to put the barrier down here really quickly, as quickly as we can. Okay, now we put it right now and zoom it like this. So now, but we can kind of put down like this and being this. Okay, so it's kind of nice, right? When you come in here, oh, I think I have to put right here. So that's how easy to come in, and then can jump up right here. You can go here because down have a blood. And see the blood waterfall is coming down here. Guys, this is not cool. This is just a tree. Okay, just wood. Okay, now we done once again. Let's go to the. Okay, so we put in one more. Okay, so this one is kind of down to be here, and I'm gonna put this color again. So it's kind of pretty cool, right? Oh, I forget the pumpkin. No, my pumpkin. I think the pumpkin's supposed to put in the water. The black water. Okay, so now I have to put the same way right here. Right here. Don't do down. It's not the good. Put kinda up. Yes, that's it. Okay, now it's kinda pretty fine, right? Take this and put it right here. Okay? Buy more. Buy the wood one, okay? Put right here. Oh my god, I think Halloween this year is going to be so fun. And also it's kind of look good than the bar. And also I hope that we're going to be have candy cannon or all the Halloween pets are going to be come back. I just hope it. Because I kind of love the Halloween pets too. Okay, so now we done off this. I think I have to share this out to get some money back. Okay. Right now, I think we have to sell off this, and we have to put something. Maybe here is we have to put one more body in right here back. Let's go to bold back. Take the new and buy your wood again. Wood is kinda expensive, but it's fine, guys. Buy the one more wood. I think the one more wood we're going to be putting here. No, we can't. I think we can because it's too big, right? It's too long. Now we done off this, so we can going up right here. Buy with no blood. Okay, so the last thing is when you're coming house, you're enjoying to the Halloween. Yeah. So you guys have to put this down here. I think when you guys come, it's going to be stopped, right? Yeah, I think when you guys come, we're going to be stuck. So wait, let me do it. So let's get out the house and get back in. And then get back in. Oh, it's probably kind of fine. Okay, so I think this is fine, and let's put back. How about I put this? Oh my god, it's too long. I think I'm going to, how about I'm going to put in the bridge right here. Oh, I got the color. Oh, but this color is kind of pretty strange. I love this more. But let's just put the color right here. I hope this is fun for the Halloween. And it costs only a $500 only, yeah. Oh my god, I forget to count. But it's okay, guys. We're going to be done here. So the last part of here, we have to put the party instead. Go to the party. Take the party. Ah! Help me! Oh my god. Did the barrier again? Wait, let me take this up here. So now we can go in like this. Go here back. Buy some more. And put it. Okay. Okay, now we turn off this. Okay, the last thing, as I told you guys. So this is the very last part. You guys can put a lamp. Okay, also some pumpkin. Pumpkin time. Woo! You guys can put some pumpkin. Should be right here and the trick or treat. This is so the perfect Halloween ever, guys. Ta-da! Does this look great? Okay, the next one. Put the floor going to be the blood. This is kinda very easy one. Just take this and put the red color like blood. So now everything's look like blood now. Ha ha ha. Okay. Okay, so what do you guys think our video today? If you're a guy enjoying this video, make sure to click the subscribe button. Also say something in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. And this is the new blue channel. The new blue hacks in Adopt Me. Because a few more weeks will be a few weeks more, a week, yeah. Halloween will going to be come into Adopt Me. And also I am so exciting, okay? And thank you guys so much. So see you guys in the next video. Bye! This signed by Nora Christel. This boo.